So we are making a fruit parfait this morning, and this is the ingredients that I will be using. So we're going to put this all together and make it pretty. So after the granola, you're going to put the yogurt on top and make a little layer. So now you just add your toppings, adding some cinnamon to speed up my metabolism. I'm going to add a little agave as a drizzle. This is the final product. So before I dig into this, I really want to give a quick shout out to Black Nomad for the t-shirt. This is hella cool. It says nerd, so with the afro, I'm assuming blurred, which I'm not mad at, you know what I'm saying? And believe it or not, I used to have an afro this size, so I want to try to get back to it. But thank you so much for this shirt, and again, the brand is called Black Nomad. I'll drop it in the description. Follow my Instagram, buy a shirt. This is super comfy. Like, this is a shirt that I'm going to be wearing a lot because the cotton, the fabric is just like, it's not like an itchy cotton. Sometimes cotton can be itchy. This isn't itchy. It's very comfortable, very soft. It's very, very soft. Love the color, love the look. Like the big old glasses and the big old fro, that used to be me. So be sure to check out Black Nomad, and I'm going to leave them in the description box. How to follow them, how to find them, get into it. And they have a shirt for boys as well. So get into it just like I'm about to get into this, because this looks good and I'm hungry and I gotta leave soon, so I'm about to eat this up. I do a dance when I eat. I don't know, everybody will tell you. This is really good. This is the first time I actually put cinnamon in it, and I'm gonna start doing it because it's like, it's a very sweet bowl, especially with these fresh strawberries. They're so good. So it kind of cuts a little bit. Cinnamon cuts it a little bit on top of helping with my metabolism, helps speed that little sis up. You know what I'm saying? So still on goal to lose the rest of this belly. And I've been going hard at the gym. Actually, every day this week I've been off, and every day this week I've been to the gym. So congrats to me. I'm going to keep it going with week 2. And I posted my post-workout smoothie. And I took a poll on Instagram to see if anyone was interested in watching a video on what I put in it, how to make my post-workout smoothie. And people want to see it. So I'm going to work on that. So I'm going to be at the gym all day this week. So I'm going to work on that. And be sure to follow me on Instagram, because I do ask what y'all want to see. And I also post Motivation Monday and Wellness Wednesdays with tips and quotes and tricks on how to become your very holistic and creative selves. So I want to go ahead and enjoy this. Turn the AC back on because I'm hot. It's like still like 100 degrees in the valley, and as you can see, I'm not happy about it. So I'm going to cut this camera off, turn on my AC, tear this up because it looks good. I'm going to just show it to you one more time. I'm about to tear it up. It's please make this. It's really good. And I'm going to go on about my day because I need this AC. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.